If this video came across your feed, then you are part of the collective that this message is for. And I'm sensing this amazing new beginning coming for you. And it's about time. You deserve this. You've been waiting for this. And it's coming in fast and furious very soon. I'm sensing like within the next few weeks. So if this resonates so far, then listen up. I'm going to pull some cards and we're going to dive into this message and into this energy and figure out what exactly is coming for you. And if this is the first time you've ever seen me, hi, I'm Brianna and I'm a psychic medium. If you like this kind of stuff, then make sure to follow me. Or if you just vibe with me, follow me because I post this stuff all the time. So right away, I'm seeing the Ace of Swords. That's the first card I pulled, and I am immediately feeling, I'm seeing the letter A and the letter B. So someone around you, their names could start with those letters, your last name. You could have kids or family. I feel like those letters are going to be significant in the next few weeks. But I'm seeing this new beginning. Aces are all about new beginnings. Swords are about things happening quickly. They're happening now. You could be an air sign as well because swords have to do with the air signs. So that would be Libra, Gemini, or Aquarius. That time of the year for one of those three air signs could have been significant for you as well. But I feel like something's coming quick and furious. I'm also getting a lot of like ocean vibes, specifically seaweed. So seaweed could be significant for you in some way, shape, or form. Or in the days following, there's going to be like a big mention of seaweed. Something about seaweed. I honestly don't even know what it is, but I just keep seeing myself down deep into the ocean with seaweed surrounding me. Okay? So this is going to be different for each of you. It's a collective reading. So just take what I say and wait to see how things play out if you're not quite sure what that means yet. But I'm also seeing there's going to be some new energy coming into your life. And that's what nights are all about. Nights are about energy coming in, okay? The yellow in the card is sticking out to me. So this is going to be very positive energy. This is going to make you feel very good. It's good change, good new beginnings that are here to stay. Pentacles, it's about the material world. It's not going anywhere. It's here to stay. This actually, I think the next three cards are Pentacles. So that just goes to show how strong this energy really is. 3 Pentacle cards in a row. It's like this thing's coming in hot and fast and it's here to stay. Okay? This could be a lot of different things. It could be a person. It could be a new job. Just a new offer of some kind. Just something new and the energy's coming in and it's fresh and it's here to stay. Now, I am seeing the 9 of Pentacles. So I feel like this is not the only good thing coming, okay? I feel like we're just going to have, it's going to be like a domino effect. Like one thing was going to be like the synchronicity that had to happen. And if you follow it, when you get that impulse, when you get that intuition to do it, when you follow this, it's going to lead to the next thing and the next thing and the next thing. And I'm just seeing it being like this beautiful cascade of like synchronicities coming into your life. It's just like a waterfall. It's going to run smooth and effortless, and it's just going to be like one thing after the other of good thing after good thing after good thing. And what a time, like what a time to be, it's like, well, you've waited for this for a long time and it's finally coming. It's finally coming. I'm seeing something really significant with a winery, okay? The vineyard in this is sticking out to me. And so I do feel a lot of positive energy with a winery. So you could be invited to a winery. You have an event coming up at a winery pretty soon. But I feel like something really good's going to happen there. And again, it's a collective. So I don't know what that thing is for each of you specifically. But I do know it's going to be like the sun beating down on you. It's just going to be like this like really good energy. And it's going to come easy and it's going to feel good. Okay. And then here we go. We have the Queen of Pentacles. And it's like, this is something that you're going to just enjoy. It's not going to feel like work to maintain. It's going to feel like this is my precious baby and I'm going to nurture this thing and watch it grow into a beautiful, beautiful new beginning. Okay? So yes, I do think this is like something that's going to take some effort to maintain. Like it's not just like here is this thing and then you sit back and relax the rest of your life, because that wouldn't be fun. The universe isn't going to give you something boring like that, right? But this is like you're gonna feel alive doing this and you're gonna like maintaining it. It's gonna make you have a zest for life that you've kind of been looking for a while, okay? So what a good reading. this is wonderful. This might even start within this weekend and just really just manifest itself throughout the weeks coming. So let me know if this resonated, and stick around because I post this stuff all the time, and I hope to see you in my next video. Hey, if this is the first time you've ever seen me, hi, I'm Brianna. I'm a psychic medium, but I have a collective message for you. So if you're seeing this, trust that you're part of that collective. You're supposed to find this video for a reason. You have a question, you have a problem, you have something going on in your energy that attracted this video to you for a reason, okay? And I'm going to answer that for you. So listen up, and if you like this kind of stuff, make sure to follow me because I post this stuff all the time. Okay, so the first thing that I'm getting right when I channel the energy, I am seeing myself sitting in a canoe or like a little rowboat, and I'm hearing the song, row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. So that could be significant in some way, at least within the next 24 hours of seeing this video. So just remember that. That's the first thing that I picked up on. But what I'm hearing and what I'm seeing is that we're wanting clarity and we're wanting justice. And I feel like this has to do with a relationship or another person that betrayed you in some way. And I'm feeling like you don't know what to do. You can't see or think clearly. You can't trust your intuition because you don't know if it's your intuition or your anxiety. And I'm hearing like, if only I had the golden ticket. And so I feel like this is an analogy for saying like, if only I had the proof, right? Because I feel like your intuition's telling you something, but you're just not quite sure if it really is your intuition. And so you're like, well, I don't want to like make a decision on something that, you know, it could just be my anxiety telling me something. And so you're like, if only I had that golden ticket, like only if I had the proof, then I would know without a doubt that it was my intuition and not my anxiety. Okay, so that's the first thing I'm hearing. And there's something tied to that row, row, row your boat, or boating, or canoeing, or floating, or something like that. So here's what I'm hearing. I'm hearing that the answer is right in front of you. Okay, and for some of you, now this is a collective reading, so what that literal answer is going to be different for each of you, but you all have this in common. Like this issue that's going on, you all have that in common, but the answer is going to be different for each of you, okay? Because this is a collective. What I'm hearing is that the answer is like right in front of your face, like you're looking at the answer, okay? And so it will help if you try to stop thinking about the problem so much, get your vibration out of the problem, and then you'll be able to see the solution more clearly. So find a way to distract yourself, however that may be, and have it be something that you enjoy doing, okay? Find a way to get happy. Find a way to get your mind off of things, clear your mind, and when you least expect it, you're going to know. You're going to have this like vision or knowing or feeling, and that's going to be your answer, okay? Because I'm hearing it's right in front of your face. You're just thinking too hard. You're so much in the problem that you can't see the solution for what it is, okay? So let me know if it helped, and good luck with everything, because this was kind of a doozy.
If this video found you, there's a reason. Okay, hear me out. There's something in your mind. Maybe you've been having dreams, and you're like, oh my gosh, why did I have that kind of dream? That came out of nowhere. Or maybe it's like a theme. It's like you keep having this reoccurring dream, and you're like, that's really weird because everything seems fine in my life, but then I have this dream that's freaking me out. It's making me think otherwise. And you're like, am I having like premonitions? Are these dreams premonitions? And then sometimes you get these feelings out of nowhere. It's like things just feel a little off, and you're like, am I overthinking it, or is that my intuition? Like, is there something wrong with me, or am I like reading the energy of this situation and picking up on something? And you're like, I don't have any proof of anything. It's all just like my dreams and the energy that I'm feeling. So you're like, I need like some reassurance, but I don't want to like ask other people because it just sounds so dang crazy. So this video found you. If that resonates, this video found you, because I'm going to answer. That energy I was just describing, we're going to channel from spirit and be like, please, everyone that this finds, let's have the common answer, the common denominator. Let us know what we need to know about the situation that we've been feeling, okay? So if this video found you, you're part of that. You're part of that, okay? What the heck is going on, and what do we need to know about the situation that we feel in our bones? Or are we just crazy? Let's see. Is there any weight to this situation? Okay, look at that card, just flew on out. Let me grab it. I can't even begin to tell you how crazy this is because the Lovers card is the one that fell out. We have the Chariot, the Four of Pentacles, and the Lovers, okay? So we have the Lovers. So for some of you guys, maybe a lot of you, this is a situation you feel about someone in your life, okay? Yeah, I know it says the Lovers, but it doesn't necessarily have to be like a romantic type of love. It could be a situation where you have love for someone and you're wondering like what's going on with their energy, okay? Just your guys' vibe is a little off. I'm seeing the Chariot. So yeah, I feel like you're right as far as like the vibe is off. Like I do think you guys are vibrating a little bit differently, but why? And you're probably like, yeah, okay, I can see that. And you're like, yeah, you know, things have been feeling a little odd. And you're like, but why? What is the difference in vibration? Is it what I think it is? Or is it something just minor and silly? Okay, so let's get into it. So if this is resonating for you so far, let me know in the comments. Okay. Interesting. What am I feeling here? I just heard Spirit's getting you ready for something. Interesting. Spirit's getting you ready for something. Yes, you feel this energy. Spirit's getting you ready for something. I feel like with this energy that I'm feeling, and that now I'm seeing 555 in my mind's eye. So I feel like with this energy, you're picking up on something. You're picking up on something's off, and Spirit's saying we're getting you ready for something. So it's like it's not supposed to all be revealed quite yet because we're getting you ready for when it is all revealed. 555, repeating fives have to do with change coming into your life. So I think that there's going to be a big change coming into your life. Now I'm seeing the Page of Pentacles. So when it comes to this change, and again, look at that. This card has the roses at the bottom. So I feel like, yeah, once again, this is tying into like love. The change is coming into your love life. But we're gonna be seeing things from the other side of the coin. It's like we've been living in this situation for a long time, looking at one side of the coin, and there's big change coming. Spirit's getting ready for the change so that you can handle it when it comes. But when it comes, you're gonna be seeing the flip side, the side that you've not seen, the side that's been kept from you for a while. My gosh. I was like, please don't let it be that card. Please don't let it be that card. But it was that card. It's the Five of Swords. If you're familiar with tarot, you're probably like, oh no. Just like, because you understand like the energy that I'm feeling. It's like, what was on the other side of that coin? Well, Five of Swords has to do with betrayal, okay? It has to do with betrayal. Now, it might not be as bad as you're thinking, because when you think betrayal, maybe your mind goes like to the worst case scenario. It might not necessarily be that, okay? Betrayal can look like a lot. There's a lot of different ways that betrayal can manifest, okay? So don't go to that dark and scary spot off the get-go. But it is interesting though, because I was just saying you're going to see repeating fives, and that is the Five of Swords, and then there's the Five of Pentacles also. So it's like 2 fives in a row, and it just said I was seeing fives out of my third eye, as in like there's big change coming. I feel like there's a move happening too. You might have like 3 kids or 3 roommates, or there might be like 3 people that you're going to end up living with. But there's like 3 birds, and I heard and I saw like you're moving. And so the 3 like plays in somehow. So there's either like maybe 3 kids, or there's going to be 3 roommates to where you end up going. So yeah, we might end up finding out about this betrayal, and you might be like, you know what? I kind of had a feeling because my dreams were telling me something, and I could feel this difference in vibration. Like things felt a little off. Things felt off. And you're going to be like, I'm glad I trusted my intuition. The Three of Pentacles. With the Three of Pentacles, I don't know. I feel like this might be like situation where this isn't going to be like an easy thing. It's going to be something that, you know, Pentacles have to do with the material world. So I feel like we're going to have to discuss like who gets what, you know, I feel like you're going to definitely be negotiating. Let's just say that. You're going to be negotiating after this all happens. Okay, now I'm seeing the Six of Cups. I just heard, with what comes that's bad brings something good. That's like, I just received that full sentence. I'm surprised I even got it out before it like left my mind, because things drop into my head so fast that if I don't say it, it's like I forget it because I'm not the one thinking it, right? I don't even remember what I just said, but that was good. That was good. Yeah, the Three of Swords. This might hurt. At first, it's not going to hurt at first, because at first you're going to be like in shock, and you're almost going to be kind of like I knew it, I followed my gut, and you're going to be like, I'm glad I'm not crazy. So there's like this sense of satisfaction at first, and then when all the dust has settled and you know, things have calmed down and you have had time to like process it, it is going to bring a lot of hurt. So be prepared for that, okay? I'm seeing the emphasis on 3. Look at this again, the Three of Wands. So yeah, you know, I said about the 3 with the living situation. So the Spirit's once again wanting to bring up the 3. It's going to be okay with the 3. The King of Swords. You're going to be talking to someone else is going to get you through this, though. You're going to be talking to someone else. Someone else is going to kind of like ease the blow. Yeah, someone else is going to be talking to you. I don't think it's going to progress into anything more than communication and like while this is all happening. So, but yeah, you're going to be talking to someone else to help you get you through this. So, you guys, I don't know. Do you like the outcome of this reading? It's what I got. Let me know in the comments. Do you think this is right? What do you think? Let me know. Let me know. Also, make sure to follow me, because there might be a reading that you're supposed to hear, and I don't want you to miss it.